Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal lactation cookies. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of old-fashioned oats, 2 tablespoons of brewer's yeast, and 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. These are key for milk production. Also, have 1/2 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar ready. Don't forget 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your butter and both sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the egg and vanilla extract until everything is well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk your dry ingredients, then gradually add them to the wet mixture, mixing until just incorporated. Drop spoonfuls of dough onto a baking sheet and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. For the best results, avoid overmixing your dough. This keeps the cookies tender. Always use fresh brewer's yeast to ensure its full lactation-boosting power. If your dough seems too soft, chill it for about 30 minutes before baking to prevent excessive spreading. Feel free to customize your cookies by adding 1/2 cup of chocolate chips or chopped nuts for extra deliciousness. Once your delicious lactation cookies are cooled, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week. For longer freshness, you can freeze the baked cookies for up to 3 months. Many find that enjoying 1 to 2 cookies daily provides optimal benefits for milk supply. These are a convenient and tasty way to support your breastfeeding journey.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.